paano ba may papayo nyo sa mga millennials na kagaya ko nga, di ba? Masyadong emotional before yung mentoring natin, and 1 year of meeting you, marami nagsasabi na nag-mature na daw.
Well, there are two things. Meron kang head and heart. Meron kang thinking, meron kang feeling. Meron kang reasoning, meron kang emoting. Kahit anong gawin mo, kung kulang ito nga, mako-compensate yan. Pero kung nadadagdagan naman ang understanding, learning, studying, reading, thought, processing, uunahin mo to, mas makokontrol mo yun ang emotions mo. In other words, pagka mas may knowledge ka, that knowledge will provide you with a anchor that can help you control your emotions. God has gifted us the will. Meron tayong will to control.
Tama.
Pero yung will na yan, dapat nasa-sharpen. Paano nasa-sharpen yan? Yun. Learning, studying, develop